Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today, I'm gonna make Halloween treats. Mm. Yay, I'm in the kitchen today and I am so excited because what I'm going to do is one of my favorite snacks of when I was little. It's but we all know Kinder bars, but this is Kinder cereal bars. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. Unfortunately, I can't really find them in the UK, and I've been back to Italy and the ones that I bought I scoffed a lot. So now I've got withdrawal symptoms. I need to make some more. So I'm taking the opportunity to do a Halloween type of things. They're usually like quite thin and flat, but I'm gonna be doing these. Doo-doo. I've got this lovely mold. I love them. Look at the faces. Oh, they're so cool. So cool. So they're quite thick because they're like cakey. It's a silicone mold and it's quite flimsy, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna hope. But it's gonna be good. So I'm very excited, and what I'm gonna be using is 250 grams of milk chocolate, and it's split into two bowls because we're gonna be doing half of it to coat the mold and then the other half of it to just seal the cakes, the chocolate. So 250 grams of milk chocolate, 120 grams of white chocolate, 120 grams of condensed milk. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. And then I've got 25 grams of puffed rice and 25 grams of puffed barley. I have to say, I did struggle to find puffed barley, and the only place I could find it was online, and it came from Spain. Jesus. So goes without saying that was a little bit expensive. Puffed rice, it's absolutely fine, no problems at all. Please do not use the Rice Krispies because they're going to be too sweet. Don't forget that we've got the white chocolate, which is really sweet. We've got the condensed milk, which is really sweet. Unless you've got a really sweet tooth and you do like sweetness overload, knock yourself out. Use the Rice Krispies. But otherwise, just use the puffed rice. And also the barley, if you can get the puffed barley, it's better because it's a little bit bitter, so it just tones down the sweetness of the whole thing. And I love it. I absolutely love it. But also what we'll be adding to the mixture is a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just to give it that oomph. But oh my god, let's get on with it because I'm so excited and I want to eat them. I'm going to start with melting the 125 grams, there or thereabouts, of the milk chocolate. I'm going to put them in a bigger bowl and I'm going to melt them at bain marie. To give it the shininess, you got to, oh, this is going to be complicated. Heat it up at up until 45 degrees Celsius, and then it needs to cool down to 26 degrees Celsius, and then you got to warm it back up to 29 degrees Celsius. Don't panic too much. The first time I made them, I just basically melted the chocolate, not all of it. I just melted a little bit of it and then took it off the heat and start mixing it, and then I just filled up the mold. So don't panic, it's still gonna be okay, but I'm gonna try this time to do it properly. Oh my god. Let's do this. Bain marie, so I'm gonna have a pan with some water. I'm gonna put this on top of it until it melts and until it reaches the temperature. I shall see you in a minute. chocolate is not ready. I'm not sure how good it was because I think my thermometer gave up on me. But I'm sure it'll still be good. So let's pour it in the mold. This is gonna be a bit of a messy job. What I have, it's my little brush. So I'm gonna brush it onto the edges all the way up, just to coat the whole mold with the chocolate. Brilliant! The mold is now ready. It's gonna go in the freezer for 10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna prepare the white chocolate. Oh! Wow, there we go. White chocolate melted. Now, let the alchemy begin. So with our white chocolate, we're gonna add the condensed milk. Look at that, how nice and thick. Oh, nice. And we mix it really well. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, smells amazing. And we add 25 grams of puffed rice and 25 grams of puffed barley. And we mix it really well. I probably have too much, but I like it quite rich. Oh. My plan to temper the milk chocolate didn't quite work. It just went too hot and then cooling it down, and then my thermometer just let me down. So we just have to wait and see if it's shiny or not. They will still be tasting amazing. So I'm not worried about that, but need to wait until the chocolate is ready in the mold, and then we can stuff it with a little bit of this. Oh. And then they're gonna go in the freezer for another 10 minutes, and then we coat them another 10 minutes in the freezer, and that's it, and we can eat them. Let's check them out. Oh, look at them. Ah, they're perfect. They are perfect. There's a little hole on one of the pumpkins. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. So now I'm gonna fill them up with this yumminess. I'm gonna try to squish them down as much as I can. I think it's gonna be easier with a spoon. I want to make sure it gets everywhere. I'm gonna squish them down good and proper so they can fill up the mold completely. There's not gonna be any gaps whatsoever. There we go. I'm gonna wash my hands. And these are gonna go back in the freezer for another 10 minutes, and then we just cover the back bit. I'll see you in a minute. Yay! they've been cooling down in the freezer for 10 minutes. It's time for demolding. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look. Oh. Check this out. Oh, oh my God, this is so cool. So cool. Oh, let's have a look at the other ones. Ta-da! Oh, I'm very pleased with them. Oh, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I've got a knife and I've got a little bit of warm water. I'm going to trim the edges. So that's it. Let's make it look all nice and pretty. Well, pretty. Halloweeny. What I'm thinking of doing, I've melted some white chocolate, and what I would like to do, I would like to get into the little gaps. Wish me luck, because I've never done it before. I don't know if it's going to work out, but we're going to cut a tiny, tiny bit. See how we get on. Ta-da! In the freezer for a few more minutes, and then that's it. Oh my God! I'm so pleased with these. Look at them. What do you reckon? What do you think? Oh, I'm so pleased. And the white chocolate, like in the eyes and the mouth, that just, it looks all right, actually. Check me out for a first timer. Oh, but let's try it. Taste test. I'm gonna get the ghost. I'm gonna bite his head off. Oh my God. Yep. It's just full of yumminess. They are melting at the speed of light. But I don't think they're gonna last for very long. As in, they will be eaten. So simple and so yummy. They're so good. So good. And all you need to do, the only thing is like that you need to wait for each layer to cool down and be solid. So do the first layer with the melted milk chocolate in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then melt the white chocolate, mix it with the condensed milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, the puffed barley and puffed rice, or just use puffed rice, whatever you can find, and do a layer on top, freezer for 10 minutes, melt more milk chocolate, another layer on top, and off you go. Another 10 minutes in the freezer, and then they're ready. They're ready to enjoy. Oh my God, they're so good, so good. But yeah, melting at the speed of light, so you better eat them quickly. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notification on when the next you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.